Okay, so over here we got two problems. Like right over here, you can see this is a lot lower. I don't know if it's an inch or whatever right here. Zoom in, you see they're going to be hanging the drywall, and it's supposed to be, you know, equal to like where this is right here. And over here, this one is also split. And then over here, where that H clip is, right there. That one right here. Yeah, this one was looking pretty not level with the one next to it, or whatever, even with the piece next to it of roof decking.